بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. I hope you all will be fine there. Students, this is your science class. Okay, let's start our studies. Students, this is our first unit, Unit 1, the human body. Unit 1, the human body. And we have studied in this unit that when you look in a mirror, you see your body. Your body is made up of many parts. Each part of your body has a name. Students, what we have studied in this unit? In the first, we have studied that we are having different body parts and each part of the body has a different name and a different job. Okay, let's recall what we have studied. Yes, we have studied ear. We have studied about nose, mouth, eye, cheek, chin. Can you identify all these body parts? Yes, we can identify about all these body parts. Ear, this is ear. Ear. Nose, this is nose. Mouth, this is mouth. Eye, this is eye. Cheek, this is cheek. Chin, this is chin. Yes, we have studied about ear, nose, mouth, eye, cheek, chin. Very good, excellent. Now we will study some different body parts. Okay students, look at here and read with me. Chest, chest, chest. Stomach, stomach, stomach. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Knee, knee, knee. Toe, toe, toe. Arm, arm, arm. Finger, finger, finger. Very good. Let's recall with me. Chest. This is chest. Students, this is chest. 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 Can you see where is chest? Yes, this portion is known as chest. This is chest. Very good. Repeat with me. Chest, chest, chest. Now what is this? Stomach, stomach. This is stomach. This area, this area is known as stomach. Very good. Repeat with me. Stomach, stomach. This is stomach. Very good. Let's move to the other part. Can you see this? Thumb, thumb, thumb. This is thumb. This is thumb. Very good. This is thumb. Now what is this? Knee, knee, knee. This is knee, knee. K is silent. Okay, students? K is silent. Knee, knee. What is this? Knee. Very good. Repeat with me. Knee, knee. Excellent. And what is this? Toe, toe. This one. Okay, can you see this one? This is toe, toe. Very good. Now let's move towards this side, and this is arm, arm, arm. This whole part from here, starting from here to here, this whole area is known as arm, arm, arm. Very good. Repeat with me. Arm. Excellent. And what is this? Finger, finger, finger. Very good. Read with me. Finger. This is finger. This is thumb, and this is finger, finger. Very good. Very good, students. Now let's recall all these names once again. Chest, chest. Stomach, stomach. Thumb, thumb. Knee, knee. Toe, toe. Arm, arm. Finger, finger. Very good. Now I will show you some cards, and you have to recognize which body part is this. Okay, students, can you tell me what is this? What is this, students? Can you tell me? This is known as, yes, tell me. Knee. Very good. This is knee, knee, knee. Very good. And these are fingers, fingers, fingers. Very good. And this one is thumb, thumb, thumb. Very good. Repeat with me. This is thumb. These are fingers. And this is knee, knee. Very good, students. I hope you are enjoying the class today. Okay, students. Now what is this? This is toe, toe. This is toe, toe. Very good. This is toe. Okay, students. Now you have to tell me, what are these? These are fingers. Very good. And what is this? This is a thumb. This is a thumb. Excellent. Very good. Okay, students, what we have studied today? We have studied about chest, we have studied about stomach, we have studied about thumb, knee, toe, arm, finger. Yes, and we have enjoyed a lot. Okay, students, today we have learned some other body parts, and now this is your homework time. Okay, students, this is your homework. You have to learn spellings of chest, stomach, thumb, knee, toe, arm and finger, and then you have to write all the spellings by yourself on a page, and then after writing them on a page you have to share them in a WhatsApp group. Okay, students, take care, stay home, be safe.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.